Okay, this is a really quick video in teaching you how to work with square roots and what exactly is a square root. The first thing I'll do is just start by explaining how square roots work. So if I wrote something like the square root of 16, I'm thinking what number times itself would be 16? And remember, both numbers have to be exactly the same, so you couldn't use 2 and 8 because those are two different numbers. So the only two numbers that are exactly the same would be 4 and 4. So the square root of 16 is 4. So down below here we can write the square root of 16 as 4. Now all of these work really well, and the ones in the white box below are special ones. They work perfectly. Sometimes when you take the square root of something like the square root of 17, it doesn't work very well and you get a decimal answer. You wouldn't be able to do that without a calculator. All the questions I'm going to give you, you can do without a calculator. So below, I'm going to fill in all the roots that work. And I'll start from the lowest one here. So we've done square root of 16. The square root of 4, what two numbers would multiply together to make 4? 2. Square root of 9, 3. We've already done the square root of 16. The square root of 25 would be 5 times 5. Square root of 36, 6 times 6. And you get the idea. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we'll stop at 12. So use this as your cheat guide, and it's on your notes. So if you don't have it filled out in your notes, it's the same thing that I'm showing in this video. So that would be the first video in terms of what square roots really are. So these ones will all work out. You'll always get a whole answer, and those are ones that we'll try to use. So none of the answers you're going to get will give you decimal answers. So the question like this, we wouldn't be able to do because we can't take the square root of 17. But we could do something like that because we can take the square root of 16.